Today I'm going to be showing you how to make spicy pork stir fry and noodles. So this is going to be your lunch or dinner. So I'll be using a couple of ingredients. So to my bowl, I'm going to add my pork, which I've cubed. Next, I'm going to add my soy sauce. Next, I'm using 1 medium chili. If you like very spicy food, you can add more chilies, but to me 1 is just enough. And also I've removed the seeds from the chili because I don't want it to be too spicy. Next, I'm going to add half of my garlic and ginger paste. Using my spatula, I'm going to mix this well, or to mix until well combined with the marinade. You can check out the list of ingredients in the description box. This is well combined, so I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. So first of all, I'll clear my table and then we wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to pick a pan or pot, and on medium-high flame, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, I'm going to add my onions. Then I'll saute until soft. Next, I'm going to add my pork together with the marinade. And at this point, it's smelling amazing. The ginger and the garlic is always a flavorful aroma. So at this point, the pork has started to release its own water. Now I'm going to add the rest of the garlic and ginger and mix with the pork until combined. Here I have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to make some noodles. So as we wait for our water to boil, I'm going to be watching over my pork. At this point, my pork is smelling amazing and my noodle water has also boiled. So I'm going to place the noodles in the pot and cook as per packaging instructions. Check on my pork. At this point, I'm going to add my sugar because I want a little bit of caramelization. So you stir in the sugar and let this cook for another 1 minute. So this is how it's looking, and so my pork is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of spring onions, stir, turn off the heat and serve. And also my noodles are ready and I am excited. Today I'm excited. I love pork, especially this recipe, it's so simple but very yummy. So I'm going to plate my pork in my cute plates. Yummy. If you try this recipe, you're surely going to love your pork. So there you have it. This pork is spicy. It's very flavorful from the green onions and the sugar. Trust me, if you add that bit of sugar, it's going to be so good. So thank you so much for watching, and make yourself spicy pork stir fry and noodles. Ciao.